Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming today with some Happy Mail. And this Happy Mail is from the one and only Lady Kre. And I just wanted to show you how she decorated my bag that she sent it in, or my postage bag. Anyways, she has life is sweeter when shared with friends, joy, look at the donuts, and then eat dessert first. So cute. There's another donut up there. Love it. And there's one underneath here too. Bam. Just so cute. And then in the inside, she also has some shred, which I'll be keeping that. And then this is how it came packaged. Adorable. Love it, love it, love it. She is one of the best crafters out there. I love her style. Absolutely love it. But anyways, look at that. So cute. She has M for my initials on the little charm. She has Starbucks charm there, donuts, and a little bead there. Just adorable. Let's see if we can get that off of there, and we will get into this Happy Mail. If I can get it off. There we go. And let's untie that. It's just packaged so perfectly. I love it. Okay, there we are. Just so cute. I think this one's the card here. Oh, goodness. These items look good enough to eat already. Just so cute. And this is a felt on there. Hold on, let me open this. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. For someone sweet. I love this. I love her style of crafting. Love this paper too. And then up, there goes the Starbucks gift card there. Love it. Melissa, congrats on your win. Enjoy it all. I love it. Everything is better with sprinkles. Love that. So cute. Oh my gosh. So there goes that. So she had a challenge, and I think we had to comment what we liked better was Dunkin' Donuts or Krispy Kreme. And I want to say it was the first two people that commented. So I was one of those, and I love Krispy Kremes. Love Krispy Kremes. A little bit too much, actually. And then here goes the other one. Oh, and these are felt donuts. Just too cute. She added some enamel dots there for someone sweet again. And I want to say this is My Creative Times envelope. Put a little bow on the back. And she got it sealed with Velcro. And let's get in there and see what's in there. And so she has the Krispy Kreme. And she snuck in another one, Dollar Tree. Lady Kre, thank you so much for your generosity. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you so much. So these are all of the goodies that I have here from the one and only Lady Kre. Adorable. Love it. Thank you so much, Lady Kre. Your friendship is so much appreciated. I love you, and I love everything that you do for the community. You always give good, encouraging words to everyone who watches your video. I'll have her link down below, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you go over and do so. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.